Hello everyone, I invite you to every Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC to USDT pair, taking into account the 4-hour interval. First of all, we will mark the side trend channel with blue lines, in which, as we can see, the price tried to go up, but quickly returned to the channel, and currently the attempt to leave the channel down also ended with the price quickly returning to the side trend channel. When we turn on Ema Cross 200, we see that the price is still in a downward trend under this line, but an upside exit from Ema Cross 200 may result in an upside exit from the channel and a return to the uptrend. Now we can move on to marking support areas in the event of a correction. For this purpose, we will use the trend-based fib extension tool, and we can see that first we have a support zone from $25,760 to $25,287. Then we have a second zone which has kept the price from falling further from $24,901 to $24,515 for now. Looking the other way, we can determine resistance areas in a similar way. First, we will mark the resistance zone from $26,093 to $26,466. When it is overcome, we have resistance at the level of $26,839, which is located at the upper border of the side trend channel, and when it is overcome, we have a second zone from $27,365 to $28,037. Only when the price tests it positively, it will be able to go up further. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that the energy for growth is slightly increasing. On the RSI, we are moving in the upper part, which may result in a slight recovery. While the stock indicator also indicates that the energy for growth is running out, which may result in a slight price recovery. As the second chart in today's review, we will check ETH in pair with USDT, also on a 4-hour time frame. First of all, we can use the blue lines to mark the downward trend channel in which the price is currently moving, and, as we can see, we have another attempt to exit the prevailing downward channel. Now let's move on to marking the support places. We will use the trend-based fib extension tool to mark supports, and as you can see, the first one we have is a support zone from $1,575 to $1,544, which has kept the price from falling further, and then we have a second strong support zone from $1,493 to $1,457. Looking the other way, we can similarly mark places where the price should encounter resistance on the way up. And here we have resistance at the level of $1,606. Then there is a strong resistance zone from $1,628 to $1,683. If it manages to break out of it, the price must overcome the resistance at $1,726 before further increases. The CHOP index indicates that there is a lot of energy for a move. There is a visible increase on the RSI and there is room for the price to go higher. While the stock indicator indicates that there is no energy for an upward move, which may result in an increase in the price and then a slight rebound to gain energy. Third, we will check the BNB chart taking into account the one-day time frame. As we can see, the price is still in the downtrend channel marked with blue lines. When we unfold the trend-based fib extension grid, we see that the price remains in a strong support zone from $212 to $205. But when we fall lower, we have a second zone from $199 to $189. And further, we can see the price drop to the support level of $176. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the resistance areas that the price must face. And here it is worth marking the main strong resistance zone from $229 to $244. Only when the price goes above it and tests positively will we see an increase to the area of strong resistance at $270. The CHOP index indicates that energy is slowly gaining strength. On the RSI, we are moving in the lower part of the range, which should bring an increase in the price in the coming days. While on the stock indicator, we also have a lot of room for the price to start growing, which may have a positive impact on the valuation of BNB. The last one in today's ranking is the chart of XRP in pair with USDT on a one-day time frame. As we can see, the price remains just on the border of the downtrend line that it is currently testing. Going further, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. And here the first support is the support zone from 43 cents to 36 cents. Then we can mark the second zone from 30 cents to 24 cents. And then we have support at 15 cents. Looking the other way, we see that the price again has resistances that previously rejected the price. First, there is a zone from 57 cents to 67 cents. Then resistance at 74 cents. And then a resistance zone from 0.82 cents to 93 cents, which ended its gains earlier. When we look at Ema Cross 200, we can see that the price quickly returned below this line, which resulted in a return to the downward trend. The CHOP index indicates that the energy has been used. On the RSI, we are moving at the lower end of the range, which may result in a price rebound. While the stock indicator also indicates that there is a lot of room for the price to grow. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.